And what's up guys, I'm back with another video. Kaso ngayon, tower bell ulit. Kasi ito nga. Kasi ito. Magana ako dito this time. Sasay ko talaga i-beat. Na-rage ako kaganina sa may nagaraan. Nung last ko ito ginawa. Kaso tayo ko muna tayo mga ganun per way. At chika. Project with dragons. By the way, comment mo kung anong gusto mong pagkain. At saka pag mga Pilipino dyan, comment nyo din. Kasi wala lang. Actually, wag nyo na lang i-comment. Na-change ko ng ako mind. Yeah. Okay. Hawk gang. No. Please. Hirap. Na. Hirap. Get down. Tinaw. Ba't ang hirap? I did it. Okay. No. I'm gonna go to a different server. Actually, no. Still do this. Yep. Can we please hit 50 subscribers? If not, that's okay. I just want a live. And if I live, I just want to have some fun games to play. After that, I'm gonna be happy. No! I might actually quit this video. Man. By the way, so if there's any Filipino viewers, this is the translate. Baka ano na ako dito, quit at magtunarang to next year or sa any month. Ayun, that's lesson. At this point, this can be a short. Filipino viewers, baka maging itong short. No, this is the one I repeatedly have been failing most of the time. Yeah. Bye bye and peace out. I quit. Aksina. But I quit. So yeah, I cannot beat this. Hindi ko ito mabit. Pagka bukas na lang, sign news ko. Or maybe tomorrow. Bye-bye.